Extreme heat isn't just uncomfortable, it's a critical safety on construction sites. While the industry accounts for just 6% of the workforce, it's responsible for a staggering 36% of all heat-related work deaths. This isn't just a summer problem anymore. Dangerous heat now extends well beyond the traditional summer months from May into October. And honestly, the data is clear. Heat drives blown deadlines, worker turnover, and serious safety incidents. Our exclusive data, sourced from over 250 construction leaders, found that nearly 8 in 10 job sites, or 79%, experience heat stress events annually. And as heat rises, so does the risk to your crew, your financial bottom line, and your reputation as a construction firm. Now, the data I just referenced is exclusive to Perryweather. To get the complete 2025 State of Heat Stress Report filled with even more insights you won't find anywhere else, just fill out the form ahead. It's that simple. Let's start with the basics. What is actually driving the surge in job site heat stress incidents? Realistically, it's two things. One, longer and hotter seasons. Dangerous heat isn't just in the summer, with high temperatures starting in May and leaving in October, way past the traditional summer heat. Take Austin, Texas, for example. They recorded 45 days over 100 degrees in 2024, almost triple the average. The second thing is the pressure to meet deadlines, avoid delays, and complete projects in a timely manner. 48% of workers admit to ignoring heat safety protocols due to deadline pressure, and 35% don't even recognize the symptoms of heat stress, even if trained. Here's the thing though, nearly 9 in 10 construction firms say productivity takes a hit as heat rises. Crews slow pace to avoid exhaustion, equipment gets too hot to handle, and jobs like concrete pours and steelwork have to be paused entirely. As a result, 65% of sites report work delays over 3 hours, which translates to roughly $5 billion in annual schedule overruns. The key takeaway here is that pushing through high heat doesn't actually help meet deadlines. It actively reduces the chance of you meeting it. Instead of pushing through, use historical WBGT or heat index data to prove heat delays when negotiating weather allowances. That way, the delays are baked into the schedule, making it more achievable to meet deadlines without sacrificing safety. Another thing is that pushing your crew too hard on the job site can create burnout. And as a result, 65% of their companies lose workers over poor heat safety protocols. And even worse, the financial hit is real. Backfilling a skilled construction worker can run anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000. And that's not even counting the learning curve. By enforcing strict hydration breaks, giving ample shade access, and creating automated policies around high heat makes it easy to retain workers. It also sends a message to other workers outside the organization looking to join that the EHS managers, the safety officers, and the organization as a whole has got its employees' backs no matter what, making it an effective way to attract skilled workers to your job site. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, well, that's all great, but enforcing these types of policies could prove pretty tricky. And you're right. 49% of firms with formal heat policies can't enforce them to maintain compliance. 13% have no written heat safety policy at all. 45% of job sites rely entirely on supervisors to manage heat risk in the field, and 18% of the sites reported they don't even have a consistent system to document heat-related near misses. Yikes. And not monitoring the heat on your site, that can lead to severe financial consequences. On average, every heat stress incident costs $5,000 to $10,000. And when the average site logs 5 to 10 events a year, that's $25,000 to $100,000 that could have been used to fund extra crews or equipment. But that's not all. 62% of construction leaders say better heat controls would lower their insurance premiums. If you can prove to carriers that you have airtight policies, real-time monitoring, and documented compliance, those rates can lower pretty significantly. Here's the bottom line. If you're not taking heat stress on your job site seriously, start doing it. You'll be rewarded with higher employee retention, achievable deadlines, and a reduction in unnecessary spending for heat-related incidents. Interested in learning more? Get access to the full report by signing up in the form coming up at the end of this video. Don't just stay informed, stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and we hope you gained some valuable insights from this. See you guys later.